In this guide, we're going to be going over all of the new working codes for free UGC Obby here in December 2025. These codes were just added recently and give you a ton of free rewards from the latest updates, so make sure you watch all the way to the end so you don't miss any. That being said, before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But one thing before we do get into these codes, make sure you're typing them exactly as they are shown on screen. Capital letters do matter, and if a code does say it is invalid, go ahead and re-enter it in carefully. Most of the time it is just a typo. But let's go ahead and get into this. Obviously, first go ahead and launch the Obby here on Roblox. And what you're going to do is select this little code section right here, and it's going to bring up a page that looks like this. Here is every single code. The first one is 450K, just like so. Go ahead and hit redeem, and that'll get you a bunch of different points. The next code is very similar. This one is 400K. Go ahead and hit redeem. That'll give you even more points. The next code is going to be game is back, and go ahead and hit redeem. That'll get you even more points. The next code is going to be welcome, just like that. Go ahead and hit redeem. And finally, the next code is going to be daily reward, spelled exactly like that. Go ahead and hit redeem. Now, you can also watch an ad for another 1,250 points, but that's not code, so we're not going to cover that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. Stay tuned for even more codes videos. We've been pumping some out every single day for a ton of different games here on Roblox. So make sure, of course, you're subscribing with all notifications on for that. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.